ISoM is a professional organisation recognised and regulated by Ofqual, that's the Office of Qualifications in England and Wales.
It is also accredited under the RQF and EQF.
ISoM provides high-quality music and art examinations to support schools and education centres in promoting children's overall development.
The lesson with creative activities, students learn skill, express feelings, and build confidence while enjoying music and art.
We believe all children have unique art and musical talents, and through the lessons, this helps them discover and develop these skills whilst learning strong basics and foundations.
Students prepare for exam with confidence and creativity. Through art and music, they grow as individuals, learning focus, teamwork, and self-confidence that support their future success. Come and join us.
Let your child discover their hidden talents in art and music with ISoM.
We look forward to see you.